Welcome to Gardening for Better Health. This is Henry B. 723 coming to you from my kitchen garden. Hope you all are well. I'm doing well here, except I have a concern about some of the things I'm growing. I took you along with me on a different video where I sterilized my dirt by using the oven method. And then I put the dirt in the pots. I transplanted my seedlings into this sterilized dirt. And it was the first time I'd done it that way. I usually use a different method to sterilize the dirt, but I decided to try a new way. And I thought it was going to be okay, but my plants are not happy. I wanted to show you what's going on with them. I'm going to take one off of here. I'm just going to pinch this off so that I can show you what it's doing. If you can see this leaf, see how it is turning brown and the edges are gotten dark and it's yellow. This does not look good. It was not doing that before I transplanted it. There's another one on here that I'm going to show you. And this one does not look good either. Can you see that on there? It's almost a silvery color, and then the edges are dark. So something is going on in this dirt. And I don't see fungus gnats, but I suspect that's the culprit that's causing problems in these plants. And if it's not fungus gnats, whatever it is needs to be treated. So I decided to get some neem oil. And I always have neem oil on hand anyway because I spray my garden throughout the season when they're outside. But I did a neem oil mixture, and I have some here in this bottle. And I'm going to spray these plants to see if, when I spray the neem on it, this problem that I'm seeing on these plants stops. Now, in order to mix the neem, I have a gallon of water. I put 1 tablespoon of neem oil in the water and 1 teaspoonful of dish detergent in there. Stirred it up. And that's so that it helps mix it up well, because you know oil and water don't mix well. So the dish detergent helps with the mixture. And so I got it mixed well. I put it here in this spray bottle, and I'm going to spray each individual leaf, and then I'm also going to spray the soil just in case there's some things going on in the soil. Most likely when you have fungus gnats or something that's eating your plants, it's not just on the plant, it's in the dirt. So I will be spraying these, and once you have an item attacking one of your plants, spray all of them. But first you want to, when you mix up your mixture that you're going to use to treat the plants, do a test spray first. Choose one plant, one, not all of them, choose one plant and spray that plant, and then wait 48 hours to see how the plant responds to the treatment, because you may have inadvertently mixed it too much of one thing and not enough of the other thing, and the plant doesn't like it. So if the plant has a reaction, you only want one plant to have a reaction and not all of them. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to treat this plant. I'm going to treat one and do that, and I'll show you how I spray it. I'm going to take you down so you can see. I'm going to do this one first, and I'll do the tops of the leaves. And then you always want to do the bottom of the leaves, because oftentimes if there's something attacking your plant, it'll start on the back of the plant and work its way around. So I'm going to do the back of this plant. And I'm also going to spray in the dirt. All right. So that's covered pretty well. I'll let that sit for 24 hours. And well, for 48 hours, and see what the reaction of the plant is to the spray. And if everything goes well, then I will go through and I will spray all of the rest of my plants. Because if something attacks one of your plants, 9 times out of 10, it has jumped or flown to your other plants and you don't know it. So it's best to treat all of them at once, and that way you don't have to worry about spread. So that's what I wanted to show you today. Sometimes we get surprises when we plant things, and things don't always go the way we want them to. If we're diligent and we check our plants daily to see what happened overnight, because sometimes things happen overnight, literally, we have to keep an eye on them. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you take time to look at whatever you're growing, inspect your plants, make sure you don't see anything out of the ordinary, and if you do, treat it. This is Henry B 723. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.